I'd be lying to you if I said that I had tons of videos ready to make. I don't. But I know certain ways to get inspiration and how you can too. So I'm gonna teach you how to get inspiration and where to find it. So let's go into it. For any creator of any kind of art or any kind of thing, anything that you're trying to learn to create stuff, at some point in your creative career, you're gonna realize that it's kind of hard to come up with ideas and that there's certain things that, just don't work as videos. And you're gonna realize that you need to find a lot of new ideas. So I wanted to show you different ways that I can come up with inspiration for tutorials or video ideas or just figuring out certain ways to really create content out of anything that you can think of. So first off, I want to say is go on social media. Social media is really important because there's so many different creators out there and you always will find something that you relate to or that you like, and certain things that you maybe want to make too because you have some kind of experience in that too. Things like Instagram, for example, and YouTube, especially with the new shorts and TikTok, kind of find topics to make videos of very easily on those because you'll get them very quickly because the short format of the video. Next is, especially if you're doing something more image-based, so stuff that's not really moving around like videos, maybe look at certain websites like Google Images, for example. So if I want to search up a cool text effect, which I use actually in remaking some of my social media art, you can see a cool text effect just by putting Photoshop text effect, and you can make some really cool effects and you'll find the effect and maybe a tutorial about it, and that's how you can make the effect, which is what I did actually. The next thing is also finding certain things on certain stock websites or certain things. You can take a lot of the images, and for the most part, if you're not using them to make money or if you're not using them as anything serious, you can probably take the image and use it as make it your own and just kind of figure out what to do with it there. And you can put things together, composite stuff, and it's really fun to do it sometimes as well. And you can make a really good video out of it, especially if you're just doing it for personal use. And also, for example, for videos, the attachment I use on my internet browser, and it's called vidIQ, and I'm pretty sure a lot of you have heard about it, or if you haven't, then you heard about it now. But vidIQ is kind of what it sounds like. It's kind of like an AI that generates more video ideas and kind of helps you keep track of certain things. So I use it for a bunch of different things, and just a quick rundown is it shows you different things about your SEO on your video, having the best keywords for it, and it helps you kind of suggest keywords and helps you manage your videos and how the performance is going. But one of the coolest things that I found recently, especially this is a recent feature I think they put in, and they have put in this thing where it's called video ideas. And video ideas is something you can keep the idea or you can discard it, and it kind of learns. And I have a few videos that came out a long time ago that kind of ideas because that's what was trending or what the AI kind of told me this is good. But yeah, long story short, basically it kind of tells you ideas every day, and you can keep the ideas, you can discard the ideas, and those will help you kind of create content on a regular basis because again, you'll find certain inspiration there, and you can obviously differ from that. But I mean, there's a lot of good ideas that AI tells you. So having inspiration is really important for that. Just browse around, talk to people, and kind of figure out what you want to do. So even your friends, talk to your friends if you hopefully have friends. Make sure that you're talking to them because sometimes they'll have good ideas. Sometimes they'll actually tell you to change things and that'll give you a whole new idea. So having a lot of inspiration around you is really important because you're going to find a lot of different ideas come from different places and they'll all come together, and you'll find great ideas that come from all of that. It's important to do your research on information, and when you're doing research, you'll probably find something else and you'll get inspiration from that too. What I'm trying to say from this video is there's a lot of different ways to get inspiration for video ideas, for photo ideas, for a lot of different things. You just kind of have to do your research, but I given you a few resources to kind of get started and to kind of figure out what to do. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and got value out of it. If you have TikTok or Instagram, follow me and we'll interact there. If you like this video, hit the like button because it really helps the algorithm, and I really would like to see when people like the video because it really tells me as a creator that things are going well. And subscribe if you want to see more of the videos because I got a lot of videos related to this one and a bunch of others to really teach you about YouTube videos and photography, which is what I'm experienced in. So I'd love to see you along for some of the other videos. So if you enjoyed this video, subscribe down below, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye.